Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a food subscription box to unbox for you, and it is Degustabox, and it's really heavy this month. This is what it looks like. As always, if you're new to Degustabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown to tell you what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then there will be a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Degustabox is a monthly food subscription box. This is Degustabox UK. It costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. Now inside the box contains between 10 to 15 food products. The food items are a little bit random. We tend to see a lot of products that are new, that are up and coming to shops, and also we have a few oldies in there, like Hellmann's mayonnaise and a tin of ravioli we had a couple of months ago. But generally it's a box to suit all family needs. You'll get items that are gluten-free, you'll get them items that are vegan, dairy-free, but not guaranteed and not every month. If you're unsure, I do have a playlist of all my unboxings that I've had over the last 2 years, so I'll pop that down in the description. So if you're interested in taking a look before you make a decision if this subscription is for you or not. As with most subscription boxes, they're a mystery box, so you don't know what you're going to get. Some months are better than others. I tend to like Degustaboxes that are more meal orientated, so we have items in the box that I can use to make meals with, and not so much like sweets. I do like receiving sweets, don't get me wrong, but I don't like it when we've had overload of sweet things, which we have had in the past. So I like a good mixture. I like some snacks for the kids. I like some healthy food options as well. And I forgot to say, we also get drinks. Now, when you sign up to Degustabox, you get a choice to say whether you want alcohol in your box or no alcohol. So I take alcohol, so I get the alcohol version. So for the last couple of months, these boxes have been sent to me as PR, so I receive them free. So in my boxes, I might have alternatives. So say for instance, last month we had a bottle of rosé wine. Then in my box, because it's a PR box, they will also send me the alternatives. So they'll send me the alternative that a person who doesn't want alcohol will have, just so that I can show you, just so that if you're an alcoholic box, this is what you get. If you're a non-alcoholic box, this is what you get. And same with other food variations as well. Say if we get one flavour of crisps out of 4, then they might send me the whole 4 just to show you, just to see this is what you will get one of them. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please comment down below. But all information related to this box, plus I got a code for £5 off your first box, plus a extra foodie freebie as well. I'll pop that down in description, so underneath this video see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description and all details and everything will be listed down there. So let's open this box up and show you what I got inside. It's so heavy. So we always get a little leaflet and it tells you the theme. So the theme for September is family sharing and home cooking. Oh, okay. All right then. Right, I'm not going to look too close because I want it to be a little bit of a surprise. But they have information about all the products on here, plus they have the cost. So I'm able to tot it up and give you a final cost at the end. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. Whoa. Here we go. Oh my word. Oh, that's a bottle. That nearly went then. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you got another bottle of wine away. Oh. Right, I'll put this down here. So we've got here, it's alcohol-free rosé, and it's by Ellsberg Sparkling alcohol-free rosé, made from quality wine with the alcohol removed, and it's 33 calories per 125ml serving. Oh wow. Oh, actually, that has come in handy. It's really come in handy for me because, oh, I've been letting myself go a little bit over the summer holidays, and we've just been to North Wales for a family trip, and I've been eating and drinking anything in sight, which is really unhealthy. So I'm going to be cutting back on my food, cutting back on my gluten, my dairy and alcohol. So this has actually come at a good time. So I'm going to be alcohol free this weekend coming for the first time in quite a few months. So I'm going to give this a go, see what this is like. So I wonder if we'll all get this then. I'm assuming we will because it's all alcohol free. So this is worth £4 and it just says it's sparkling rosé, it's bursting with fruit notes of red cherry and strawberry. So there's the first item. Next we got some Hartley's jellies. It's strawberry flavour and it says new recipe, and we got a 3-pack there. So it looks like that, so they're quite handy. I quite like them sometimes myself. I don't know why, but it just says 55p for a single pot. But then it says 3 strawberry jelly pots, but they're all together. Anyway, we're here to help you get back to a routine as the kids go back to school. Hands up for pudding. So there's that. Then we've got a Gran Gallo risotto. This is a 500g box. I've never tried that before. We love risotto here. We make a lot of chorizo and chicken risottos with peppers and onions, and oh, it is gorgeous, really lovely. So is it just long grain rice for risotto? So is it flavoured rice? I don't think so. It's just plain rice, isn't it? Do you need a different type of rice for risotto? I'm not too sure. The price is £2.29. It brings you the best Italian risotto rice selected from the best rice fields in Italy. They have a plump, stubby grain and a high starch content, which gives it a perfect balance of creaminess and bite, making it ideal for a traditional risotto. Okay then, yeah, so it is a sort of specific type of rice you would use. Okay, so there's that. Next we've got some Lucozade. Now they've given me two as these are the choices, but you'll be receiving one of them in your box. So we've got Lucozade, oh, they're both Lucozade Zeros. One is orange and one is pink lemonade. Oh my word. I'm not keen on the orange one. I just don't like it. And I love orange stuff. Absolutely love it. But I'm not that keen on Lucozade, unfortunately, but the pink lemonade, that sounds absolutely gorgeous. So these are 1 litre bottles each, and to buy them they'll cost you To buy them they'll cost you £1.99 each, and then it goes on to telling you that it's best served chilled in the fridge and that they now come with 0 sugar. So you'll be receiving one of those in your box. We've got a crumbled up box of something here that says Yummy Bakes Paw Patrol. My kids are a little bit older now. Oh, my youngest is 10. He's not into Paw Patrol. And it says here raspberry 5 times bars. I'll show you what it looks like there. I'll take one out to show you now. There's little bites like this. Maybe you will eat them. I don't think, not for packed lunch, because I think you'd be a bit embarrassed bringing them to packed lunch, but maybe as a on-the-go sort of snack, pop in my handbag type of thing. So this is by Appy Kids Co, and it'll cost you £1. It is made with real fruits, fortified with fibre and baked with wheat and oats. We do not add any artificial colours or flavours nor preservatives. Free from palm oil, our bakes are suitable for the planet. So there's that. Next we've got another jar of something. Oh, is it pesto? Yes it is, yes it is. It is Epicure. I can't say that. Zjog. I'll show you. Zjog pesto, spicy sauce with coriander and green chilli. Oh my word, 180 grams. I love pesto. Absolutely love it. See, what's it? Is it Zjog? Zjog pasta. Pesto, I mean. Oh right, it says here you'll receive 1 of 5 flavours. Now they've only actually sent me 1, so I can't show you the other 4, but you'll get 1 of 5. It costs £2.99, and it says a passion for cooking starts with Epicure, and it says discover wonderful flavours from Africa, Middle East and Canary Islands. Versatile and easy to use. Simply stir through, marinade, dip or use as a sauce to create delicious food. Great recipe ideas at epicure.co.uk. Whoop, turn that around. So there's that. Then we got a paste. I've seen this in Morrison's or Tesco's. It's called Very Lazy, and it's a garlic paste, 75 grams, which is handy. A cupboard staple. So this will cost £1.85. Add a squeeze of this garlic paste for an instant garlic boost to your favourite dish. There you go. So there's that. These aren't new, but they're nice. They're Nestle Milky Bar buttons. Are they buttons? I'm sure they're buttons. So we've got 2 here. The 30-gram bag each. You will receive 2 items in your box, and they cost 55p each. Delicious white chocolate buttons with no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. Scan the QR code on the pack to explore 80 awesome things to do for inspiration and activities for the whole family. There, the QR code's on the front of them. I was thinking, where the heck are they? But no, they're on the front. So there's those. Got more snacks, and these are by Chum, and they're fruit bites. We've got peach and we've got berries, and is 100% wild, no fake stuff. 1 of your 5 a day, 20-gram pouches, and 42 calories here and 41 calories there. So my youngest son likes these, so these are handy for after school snacks and things, so he'd be chuffed to have these. You'll receive 2 in your box. They cost 79p each. 100% fruit, no added sugar, kosher, vegan, gluten-free, and then it goes on to say, and 15% of profits donated to wildaid.org to help save our chums. So there's those. Lots of snacky type items towards the end. So we've got 2 new Alpen bars. We've got Alpen Protein Berries and Yogurt and Alpen Protein Chocolate. So there you go, so those are brand new. You should receive 2 in your box, and it'll cost you £2.69 for a multi-pack of 5 bars. A delicious protein bar that helps keep you fuller for longer and give you the energy to get you through the day. So there's those. And lastly, we've got 2 more bars. This is by Booker, and this is Choco Mallow cereal bar, and this is caramel cereal bar. So there's 2 there. And you'll receive 2 of them in your box. Now they would cost 79p per bar, or £2 for a multi-pack of 4. They are low in sugar, low in fats, low in salt, under 100 calories, whilst tasting delicious. Treat yourself and the family to a Bookerlicious snack. So those are all the items. So I'm going to add them all up and I'll come back to you. My maths isn't the best, but it comes to around £21, and I think we've got some really lovely items here. Yes, lots of snacky items, which I'm not that keen on. Yes, the kids like it. Yes, my husband loves protein bars, so anything related to protein bars, energy drinks, anything like that we receive, which we do tend to get quite a bit of, I give to my husband because he's yeah, he's the fitness fanatic in the family, and he likes cycling and hiking and stuff, so he buys them all the time. Yeah, I love the fact that we got the non-alcoholic rosé wine. So looking forward to trying that. The pesto and the risotto. Yeah, I love things like that. As I said at the start, I like things that I can make meals with, as with the garlic paste as well. So all handy things to have. And yeah, the rest really are snacks. Snacks for the kids, snacks on the go. And Lucozade. I love the pink one. Husband have the orange one. But yeah, not a bad box. Not a wow box, but not a bad box. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's an amazing box? Or do you think it's a boring box? Or do you think it's an okay box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.